Welcome to Noah's Kitchen. We've got gunpowder and we've got a microwave. We're cooking today. Let's put a little bit in here. Not much, just a little bit on the bottom there. Maybe a few grams. Set this on high. And that one. So I'm gonna back up. All right, now I'm gonna go plug it in. Heard some popping. All right, I'm kind of afraid to open this microwave up, but let's see here. Oh, the plate just fell off. So the microwave was working, but there's nothing to spark to catch the gunpowder. So I'm gonna throw some finished nails in there. Back up and plug it in. That is pretty cool. Let's go see what it did to the microwave. Look at that. All the finish nails are still there. Gonna put more gunpowder on it this time. All that gunpowder smoke. Smells good. Oh, reminds me of my childhood. Plate's a little warm. I'm surprised it didn't break with all that gunpowder going off on it. Alright, so I cut a hole in the door so that you'll actually be able to see the gunpowder ignite. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it, and make sure you check back because I got a bunch more plans for that microwave, like road flares and fireworks. So check back, hope you liked the video, and let me know what you think about these microwave videos.